The Electronic Vaccination Data System, or EVDS, has gone live from today. It will allow people over the age of 60 to start registering to receive the COVID-19 vaccine under phase 2 of the rollout. Health Minister William Kize has encouraged young people to assist the elderly to register. To explain how it'll work, I'm joined by Dr. Milani Wolmarans from the Health Department. Thanks for your time, Doctor. Appreciate it. So, of course, you've made this a very simple process so that people are able to register quickly and easily. Just talk us through the steps and how long it'll possibly take to get it done.
Good afternoon. Just a correction, it's Mrs. Milani Wolmarans. And good afternoon to all the viewers. Thank you for the opportunity to share this with you. To register on the electronic vaccination data system, the official portal for the official South African vaccination registration portal, it will take you less than 3 minutes to register. The steps, it's first of all, before you go to register, make sure that you've got your ID number, and if you've got a medical aid, that you have got your medical aid details with you. And then you would go onto the internet, you will type in vaccine.enroll.health.gov.za. That will take you to the registration portal, and then you just follow the steps.
Yeah. So, of course, this went live at 4 o'clock, but because we heard officials earlier on this morning talking about the registration, some people would have already gone to the websites to try to register. Will they still be captured, or will they have to come back after this 4 o'clock?
Thank you for that question. We appreciate those that were trying out the system, and we have received some positive feedback. After 4 o'clock, it's only then that it will officially open, where we will confirm that you have registered, and you will receive your SMS to indicate that you have registered. For those of you that has tried out the system and registered, if you haven't received an SMS by tomorrow morning, we just would like to ask you if you could just register again. We are almost 100% sure that everybody that has tried out the system during the course of the day will receive their SMSs. But if in case you haven't received your SMS, please just register again.
All right, so you can try again and again until you get that registration SMS. So let's talk about assistance for the elderly. The Health Minister earlier on this morning saying that, children should try to help out their parents to register. When it comes to details, can a child put their cell phone number in there so that when they do know when to go for the vaccine, they can inform their parents? Or does it have to be that specific person?
No, we are indicating to say that it should be a cell phone number in terms of how we can communicate with the individual. So if it is a child, I think it is appropriate that it could be the child's cell phone number so that they can inform the elderly on when they will be vaccinated. And so we are saying it can be a cell phone number of a close friend or a family member or the elderly themselves to be able to receive the SMS. I think what is important is to say that this registration portal is not just registration. It also allows us to communicate with everybody during the process of the vaccination and as it will unfold during the course of the vaccination program. And that's why we are using a cell phone number to allow for that communication, because it's an easy way to communicate via an SMS with individuals.
Yeah, are you prepared for any system crashes because you're going to have millions of people register at one time?
We are ready for millions of registrations. The system's capacity is currently, it can handle 3,000 registrations per second. And we've got production servers on standby should we see that there is an increase in the demand, and we will immediately activate that.
Yeah.
So we are monitoring on a second-by-second basis the capacity of the system. So we give reassurance that we've got enough capacity to deal with the millions of people that needs to register. But like with all digital and technology systems, there is the unforeseen that happens. We have done everything in our power to ensure that the system is stable.